disabled, how do you get there? Oba Regional Coordinating Council, we are disabled, how do you get there? So what I say, but lo and behold, Adanya Adudankwa Kufuado, Esino, all this while, this time, no, disability friendly.
Yeah.
They lift woman, dear baby, wheelchair bet my foul, and no Asidanka Adudankwa Kufuado, and in a buy. Now, you might have 4 more years to do more. After 4 more years, Akufo-Addo more. Then the MPP, we shall also ask Ghanaians to give the MPP more years to develop more projects and more facilities. Ebetina Abua Ghana. Amayetimi Yako Yenim Bibre.
I say, Bobo say Bibre.
Pawuni Bibi.
I must see the Ghana Crampono back to Hipic, and we are still asking for 4 years to do more.
Mamika no Krebinchro. President Mahama ni why me
Ade.
Na mahunu say nimdie die will be by wisdom the nyame amfa nche no.
No. I think it's an attack on the president.
Okay.
No.
Okay, Mama apologize so makai
we. No, Debbie. You don't say what project one can you mean say so just apologize.
Debbie, my apologize no. Okay, me can sir. Okay, my apologize.
It's what they watch you say.
Sincerely I apologize.
Okay.
My sign. Now Papa Wuni Bibi. Here is the president. One kasa tamu yen after century. What you say after century? Or tamu yen they call IMF say ye compare policy credibility. Nichi eye say for manfono me kan kire yen. Odi Ghana fo nyina atem on that particular aspect in our policy credibility no. And who say jaye edi ye call your friend is saying IMF. And here is the president Adudankwa Kufuado. Oba ya Oba we dey so no Oba tambia no ate Zuba te woni kamu no tia on person no be start. But me dey must start because I have a story to tell Ghanaians. Enti what do you call Hipic? After political, what do you call? No, we were almost at the IMF there. Near do Hipic because running time, we were with the IMF, and if you only call Hipic, that is it. I mean, 2 steps backwards, and one ballot to the demand 2 steps backwards to the Hipic. I want President Mahama de Koye. I didn't know they call Hipic. Or no catch a Ghana for you now. What's it?
Or they call IMF.
Or they call IMF.
Yes.
Or yes, we put down into Hipic. And what's it? Warina Mina Amanaka Dumpi. And then Mitieno, baby, or Cocasaye. Mitieno. Was walk Oja so much Ojawe. What you say? And I was a catcher, so we no Amanaka Dumpi. And this Uja Bibia. Adentina Yenia Nadmo for and this for Muya Juma 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, just 3 months pay. Utiomuka just 3 months pay. It was even 2 months. The following 1 month now.
Just 3 months pay.
Oh, it was 2 months.
You mean all the 4 years and I meant
4 years in na teacher for Muya Juma 2 years, 4 years.
Are you saying since 2012 to 2016? Nadmo for Ntubiaka.
And yet Nadmo nationwide, even including teachers for Muya Juma 4 years, they were only given 2 months pay. And to Busumina, you did 2 months pay, no Emma no. Now what 1 month na now you 3 months.
For 4 good years.
4 good years, I see 3 years, 7 months ago. Na papa we have for Jerusalem. So
are you saying a teacher for 4 good years? Man,
may see the newly employed. That how do I do so? He was the labor employment
newly
minister.
Employed from which period to which period?
No, be a Juma 4 years. From up to 2015, 2014. Nay and Tiania manager 3 months pay.
No, maybe let's be specific because we are giving all customer change at TFO.
Oh, are
you telling me between 2012 and 2016, a teacher for your 4 teacher you
and a teacher for all the public and civil servants
for the 4 years.
Me see, a new law. The number of strikes are by. So they were giving only 3 months pay. Upam for teacher Nibia at that time and all. And me say Nadmo, I'm a living witness to that. Abaya Bakukra de Jamin Fanny can say Rabbi Wanyano ni baby co. They were giving 3 months pay. ɛna teacher training allowance ɔmo nurses wɔsi mi yɛ odwan funu odwan paa sɛde odwan tie wɔsɛ wu a wɔsɛ ayɛ funu no ehu nti even if it is going to cost my political fortune kura wɔpɛ wɔso wɔtua yɛnto abentia no truly indeed Ghana for to abentia no so uka sɛ na nka ne sika no wɔ hɔ a nka dumso na nka yɛdɛm dumso na nka yɛdɛm na sika wɔ hɔ a nka teacher training allowance yɛntumi ntua and here is the case sure even in America, Canada, China, all over the country, all over the world, because of COVID-19, Obia's economy is in shambles. Even some of the countries in Ukraine are heading towards to recession. So what you say? Recessions. Because America and Canada, they were given free 6 months rent. Because any pan COVID, yes, one quarter fee. Onya juma, obede to make rent. And weekly, monthly, we were giving about $1,600, $2,000 as stimulus free. Unya call online now failure. Who qualify near this kind of man? Who wants they were council? No. Now because this time of the world now Ghana babyano ukra umoya baso was a year called hippic. Notwithstanding that, we will not be what kind. Tama President Mama na here ready say all contested NDC presidential primaries. It doesn't mean that the assembly can no crescent Ghana. No look anyway. Project we na no pedichire tiefui. Project we ni no pedichire tiefui. And just Ghana there. Wankasa wani agia usa blemu ye sakwase mo de we na kasa baba mo mobosia na bana water to that time mobosia at this time of COVID abambe dem mobosia but it was one of the campaign events messages say aban water so mobosia bebe ne mo de baba mo mobosia yes obosia no odi no wananum but ye obosia ma say kwada so project ye no wankasa wa yibi a kire watiefo one kasa what president kwada so municipal assembly one kasa wa yibi a kire watiefo yes obi amobosia ewiase obi a unika unye credit wati kwa America kwa Canada kwa UK otiase se uni credit card ultimate to ade da ultimate to fie you can't even rent a room because you need to have a credit card and you have to be credit worthy. Otiase e was obi adika wo wiase by can say wodia e was say uhuru said yo ya eka ya service o ye ntua eka ya service papa kire me obi a wo Ghana ha wo ye government worker on for ni mortgage en fankoji loan wodia kire me. But here you have a situation, your debt to GDP ratio is about 76.7%. This is the of your GDP. Oh, this is the time of COVID for America, for Germany, America, go over the world. One 2014 corona by this year. What was the end result? And about 245 in the war of President Mama time. For the corona kura, Oma Mino also share, Oma Mino also a kakadro no any dead no the South Kuranoa, corona nekono. So and you know because Ghana you distress. Say I can't many yampa. I can't we are still doing projects. And you wouldn't be Papa, the can say President Mama so baby you. T on one kasa name Crawford. Tama President Moss Ewohoy. Okacha Matami do so investigating. What you say? And the Mami T JJ Kaye. JJ, one can say what can you? Was it corruption under John Mahama's government nearly drove me out of NDC. One the kind of open no. Uni number Bisazuba, non famang. Now, Mammy Sankoso, Abam Sumani Babin, Kingsford, Honorable. Also, can accept Tomoko premise, presidential premise. Whatever you do, you can't win. Whatever you do, you can win. With Mahama in 2020. Okacha NDC delegate. Sabu munim namuko tu abadoma John Mahama so melidia. Nyebeye biya yet me win in 2020. You can win. Yes and also. Spio Uncle Spio.
Yes for mommy.
Uncle Spio was it the 1.5 million people who rejected Mahama in 2016 are still alive. and they know he can't change. Mami say first Spio Gabriel be also crack.
What's it for mommy?
Spio Gabriel, I say more kind. What's it? Boot for boot don't win elections. Good message do win elections.
Into person what you say?
Spio to Mama. Me say President Mahama hey opa one we pusa a dime ma grawa ma. He can win. But this time of COVID, you know, Papa. Yeah. COVID time. How many companies? How many companies? And now almost file bankruptcy. When they got when they kra. And every country be a Ghana krano unim bibi. Now say one of the international for almost Ghana is the only country in Africa. Ghana is the third country in the world that post COVID, you recover quickly. And President Muhammad, 41 and Kuala no sa baby with chapters no a church no mana.
Mame Kwabena, me da se Nhyira 1045 on book Kwabena Nsenkyire. Ono first vice chairman Edema MPP New Patriotic Party Ashanti na motene ka.
My me kan you mesa to us.
Me Zuba na boko there.
Ya nua papa me hoye pa na yeso ado me hoye.
Zuba wonim we dey fat person ma time na okasa. Mamini adebo quick person me interrupt. Mamini we for me ba mama afia to us.
Yeah, we mean to be